Hi friends, welcome to this channel. Today's video clips, I will tell you and show you how you can easily change the color on your iPhone. It is normal. Friends, please subscribe to this channel, don't forget to leave likes, and also write your comments after this video. So, let us with you get started. Let me start by saying that, as you can see, my screen is a little bit green. You might have a screen that's a little bit more pink, or it could be more blue, or it could be black and white. Starting with any of these problems, you can easily fix thanks to one method that I'm going to show you now. First, you will need to open up the phone settings on your iPhone. Next, scroll down a bit and go to a setting called Accessibility. Next, select Display and Text Size. Scroll to the bottom until you find the color filters. Click on it, and as you can see, here I have color filters settings on my phone that you can change. As you can see, the screen changes color pink, purple, blue, yellow, and so on. And it can also be black and white as well, like I said. If you have any of these problems, the only thing you need to do is disable this feature. And as you can see, immediately the color will normalize and stabilize on your phone. I also recommend that you go back to the text size display and check two settings here called Smart Inversion and Classic. It's important that these are turned off. If they're enabled, I'm going to show you what that might look like in a moment. Let's say if you turn one of them on, then this is what your iPhone screen might look like. So it's also important to see that these two features are not active. Anyway, that's it for now, friends. I hope you have seen how you can easily change the color of your iPhone to normal. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write comments, and be sure to put your likes. See you soon.